Following describes the seam allowances incorporated to enable Lambton to achieve the requested measures and for you to do further fine-tuning adjustments as needed. Okay, first measure we're going to deal with then is the chest measurement. That's going to set the likely parameters for the waist and the hips, the other body measurements. As you step in, then the client is as like as not has a reflex reaction to raise his arms. If he doesn't, then assume command of the situation, ask him, please would you raise your arm, Mr. Client. So at this point then we're now ready to be able to pass the tape. I'm going to hold it with a finger and thumb there in one hand and pass it around underneath the armpit to the other side, and we're going to bring the tape back to this point and control it again here. Ask your client at this point then to just drop the shoulders for you, nice and relaxed, and look straight ahead. So nice and relaxed. Now people do tend to stand in a military way and want to look down at what you're doing, so maybe Mr. Client, could you just look straight ahead for me? Thank you very much. And just nice and relaxed, and just wait until the client has exhaled so that you can assume or get the right position. So we can now see that the tape is in the right position because it's high up into the body here. It is controlled by this, and we're able now to look at this point. 2 fingers inside the tape, and we're measuring to the nearest inch. So we have a measure here of 42 inches with those 2 fingers inside the tape. It's parallel to the ground, it's high up into the armpits, and it's across the shoulder blades at the back. We're now also able to just see that at this point 41 inches here, and this gentleman is too tight, and we're equally able to see while the tape is in position that 43 inches is too big. So we're going to deliver to Lambton an instruction to make a 42-inch jacket for this gentleman.